Where's the blue budgie gone? It's escaped. Let's see. Where are you? Blue budge? What? Oh no, they left the door open. Where you gone? The budgies escaped. What was that? Can hear something. Shh. Somewhere down here. The budgies escaped and I don't... Oh! There it is! The great budgie escape of 2021. How did you get out? See, they left the cage door open and the door's open, no one's at home, and the budgie escaped. See, this is why you need to clip its wings. Window was closed but the doors were open. This is why we clip its wings in summer, because people are just going to leave the door open. Next thing you know, the budgie's gone. Probably eaten by a cat. I don't know how long it's been out. The window's closed. How did it get from there? This is weird. Right, then let's get it for the cat. Cat gets it. Come here then. Where are you going? Probably confused. What? How long you been out? Imagine if a cat came round that corner now. How long have you been out? Eating. Go on, your taste of freedom is over. For a cat eats you. Come on. I'm going. What are you doing? What are you doing? This is what happens when you leave your doors and windows open in summer. Next thing you know it, the budgie's gone. Flown away. Why? You need to clip the wings. Where are you going? I was trying to get back in. He's going back in now. Where you going? No cats. Come on. Budgie's supposed to be clever. You're not clever, they're daft. Go on. Go back in. Go on. You came out. He's going back now. Go on, back to your cage. No, and the blue one's calling you. Or you want to come to me? Carry you. That's what he did. He went out of the room and got confused. Before you know, he's outside. Yeah, you're back. He must have left the door open, isn't it? At least he didn't leave the window open. But he wouldn't have been able to. Yeah, if the window was open, he wouldn't have got out. But because the door was open, he managed to ajar. He managed to get out. So now you're back. Did you enjoy your little spin outside on your own? That was close. Nobody's in. No, it's only me in. What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. I think we forgot to, when we put the cover on last night, we forgot to close the door. So when the cover was removed this morning, Budgie got out, door was open, probably ajar, something like this. Yeah, like so, and managed to, and got confused, ended up in the kitchen conservatory, and that door was open like that as well. Before you know it, it's outside. I don't think it's been out for long. If it had, a cat would have ate it, or a cat somewhere, because it's tweeting away. Maybe, I'm guessing half an hour, isn't it? You dodo, you'd have been extinct like the dodo, isn't it? That was close. Budgie nearly got disappeared, isn't it? You're hot as well. This is why you need to clip the wings. Imagine if the wings had not been clipped, it would have just, that's it, gone. Gone. But because we clipped its wings, well, you see, managed to get the budgie back. So do clip your budgie's wings in summer, because you never know. Just one mistake, then they're gone. Isn't it? The Great Escape. The Budgie Great Escape of 2021. Although I did try and work its way back. I think given enough time, and if that door was open, say maybe 15 minutes, it would have been able to figure its way back to the cage. But not from where it was, maybe from the door. Maybe from this door it would be able to figure it out how to get it back. Okay, that's it. Like I say, normally we leave the doors open, but normally they can fly in the room to the top. Obviously after they're clipped, they can't fly. I'm guessing 8 AM and the cover was taken off, and it maybe came out an hour ago, 10:30, and eventually worked his way outside. If I had not come and check on it, I don't know where it ended up. But luckily they do tweet, chirp, so you can track them down that way. So if your budgie escapes, listen to the sound. Chirp, chirp, tweet, 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 tweet. They do a distinct signal call, double. Tweet, 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 tweet. Isn't it? And if all else fails, I could take the blue budgie out and see if it attracts noise from the green one.